I love about the EDT program, we may not be the biggest program on campus, but we get the help we need. We get all the life choices, we get the activities, we get on hands, we get everything.
A very heavy emphasis on working with different types of modeling. So we get a little bit into working with algorithmic modeling. We get a little bit into working with surface modeling and a few other different types of paradigms. I really feel like our students that come out of this program have an edge because they know so many different types of softwares and they know so many different ways to be able to attack a problem using those tools that they learn about.
Neil is one of the nicest instructors I have ever run across at Iowa Central, and the absolute relationships I have founded with Neil and Joel I like.
Computer-based learning and hands-on activity. Like we spend some time across the hall in the shop and do some hands-on fabrication. Anything that gives me a lot of experience when it comes to designing parts so that I'm not trying to do some ridiculous, impossible part and that engineers in my future will get very upset with me. And I also like the, we also take the online learning and we can do like cool 3D printing projects, and Neil really challenges us to have original ideas and solve problems that come with this kind of pretty new technology for us.
Program is because it's so wide and there's so many different possibilities with it. We have students that have gone into mechanical engineering, we have some that have gone into gaming, we have some that are working in architectural at this point, some that are working for construction companies. There's just a lot of different ways that you can take this degree and do many things with it.